So we did this about a few months ago, 2010 Chevy Camaro, and we added some work to it, but it had headers on it, long tube headers, there and there, high flow cats, there and there, then 3-inch system all the way back. It's an SS, all the way. We added sleeves in and connected the MBPR's straight pipe tip, straight pipes out the back, there and there. And then he was complaining about drone inside. So he went and did research and found out that the Solo J pipes, they call them, which we just installed, these right here, Solo J pipes, right there and right there, they are supposed to take away all the drone, so, or help with it at least, especially at high RPMs. So we'll let you guys hear it and see it in a minute. And this is the name of it, Solo Performance J pipes. If you guys want the link, hopefully we'll find the link in the description for it for you guys. Try to help you out. And these expand here for it to go in and out, and depending on the drone, those pipes expand too. So we tucked them up nice and hidden, you don't see them, so he can adjust them whenever he wants. Again, they're called Solo J pipes, right there, by Solo Performance. And it's a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What it sounds like after we put those on. And you guys can see an earlier video without them. There's the sound decibels on it. Go ahead. 125. Woo. Man, we got so much comments on this one. Have you been watching it on our channel? A lot of positive stuff about it, man. You think it toned it down a little bit compared to before? Or you don't hear a difference? Best Camaros I've heard in a while. Again, let you guys hear on the inside.